So now protein is the building source of building blocks of our muscle, tissue, hair, eye, skin, and everything. So we need protein on a daily basis, and we need the exact amount of protein every single day, right? So if you are looking for protein sources, you can have mutton. It is also it's not too high in protein content, but it's high in iron also. So you can count mutton also as a good protein source. Chicken, seafood, there are different kinds of fish. You can eat prawns, you can eat uh, you can eat shingara, any kind of fish you can eat. But the cooking way of cooking also matters. Please do not put too much of sorry, the gravy should not be too messy. It should be simple. I have also some recipes of some fish tikkas and everything on my YouTube channel. You can also check that out, and you can also have eggs every single day. Eggs are a very good source of protein. And please do not throw out the yolk. It's a very important part, right? Doesn't matter if somebody told you to eat only egg whites, that doesn't matter. The main protein source, you're just throwing it away. Do not do that. You have to eat eggs in whole. You can eat them boiled, like an omelette or scrambled or a curry, burji, whatever it is. You can have eggs, right? And paneer. Paneer is a very good source of protein and fat both. And if you are a vegan or a vegetarian, you can also add protein powder to your diet, regular diet. I'll also explain in just after some time how to use protein powder. There is this special pea protein powder which is like completely zero carb, but you can also add it in your atta, sugar swap atta, and mix it and make a dough and make chapatis or tortillas or pizza or whatever it is, and your high protein meal is ready. So I'll explain that in this. So protein sources: mutton, chicken, seafood, eggs, paneer, protein powder, right? So this is protein.